Grab your magic pencil, let the colors spin. From royal hairstyles to a carriage of light, at Princess Design Academy is shining bright. Oh, we are designing our dreams in the 3D world, where everything rings. With 3D magic, we're bold and we're free, learning together as the Academy. Annabella. Thank you, round of applause. Hot nice love and love.